There you have it, beef and asparagus stir fry, a quick and easy, delicious dish. Enjoy. I'm just going to marinate the beef. So there's maybe a pound here, so we're not going to use the whole thing, but I'm going to marinate it anyway. So I might have a sandwich tomorrow. So this is a good brand. This is the Kingsford brand, pretty famous in Hong Kong. People in Hong Kong buy it a lot, so I use this brand. I've been using this for the last few years. So I'm going to put some dark soy sauce, just a little bit, just a teaspoon, just for darker color. So dark soy sauce is for color, it's a sweet soy sauce. So this is the light soy sauce. So I'm going to put about 3 or 4 tablespoons. Normally I don't put oyster flavor sauce for marinade. I usually use it as a dipping sauce. But I'm going to put a tablespoon in there just because I like oyster flavor sauce. So then you put the peanut oil or any kind of cooking oil. So put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. This is Shaoxing cooking wine. It's good for marinade. It gives it lots of flavor. You can put this in, that's an option. So it's good to marinate your beef or meat or chicken or whatever. Any kind of meat, marinate overnight. But if you don't have time, just marinate for at least an hour if you have time. If not, you can just stir fry right away. So this is called velveting. So this will add a nice coating of cornstarch around the meat, and it will tenderize the meat at the same time. So it'll lock in all the flavor from the sauces as well. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. So today we're doing a beef and asparagus stir fry. So cut the pieces into about 2 or 3 inch lengths. So these roughly the same size all around. So we'll put the asparagus into boiling water for about 3 to 5 minutes. Well, we're going to cook the beef first. So the beef that we marinated yesterday. So while the asparagus is boiling, we're going to put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm preheating the pan at medium to medium-high heat. Now I'm just going to turn the heat on to high. So we're going to get some good sear on the beef, the Wok Hei. So I have about 5 or 6 ounces of beef here. So this beef has been marinated the night before. So we're going to add some ginger and garlic. So it's about 2 tablespoons of sliced ginger, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. So just let the beef sear. So the beef we're going to cook to about 75 to 80%. I like to shake some sesame oil into the beef. Also like to add a little salt too. So we're going to take the beef off right now. So the beef has been cooked, like I say, 75 to 80%. You have about 2 or 3 cups of asparagus. So just put in a strainer after you boil it for about 3 to 5 minutes. So this simple dish, we're just going to put some light soy sauce on it. A couple tablespoons. Put 1 or 2 tablespoons of my favorite sauce. This is the oyster flavor sauce. Now I'm going to return the beef. I like to put Shaoxing cooking wine. So I'll put about 2 or 3 tablespoons. So this is optional ingredient, but I like the Shaoxing cooking wine, gives a nice flavor. So that's already. There you have it, beef and asparagus stir fry. Simply delicious. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.